Robert Pollard is suing mechanic Brett Harder for the cost to repair his motorcycle.
He's not giving you back $1,500. We're done. Goodbye.
Well, he's like, excuse me, step out.
I found out later on from one of the guys to work for. He took some of the parts off my bike and they put it on the other guy's bike.
It was a bike that we had in the back that had been wrecked, so we used that motor and put that motor in his bike.
I think he has the same engine, so he said his bike running right, mine's not running, so.
The bike was an old bike, and a lot of things were going wrong with it, and he just expected us to fix everything and make it into a new bike.
As an individual, I thought Brett was a stand-up guy, but...
Which I wasn't getting paid for, so we agreed on the motor swap and the labor to do it. That's what I did, and I didn't want to touch anything else.
To come to court and lie and tell his lies what he told about my bike.
Well, I'm just glad that I don't have to deal with this motorcycle anymore. It's been kind of a thorn in my side, and I'm just glad to be done with it.